here in Norcia today, in the Sibillini, at the foot of the Sibillini Mountains, we're about 600 meters above sea level. We're looking here at the magnificent Basilica of San Benedetto. San Benedetto, Saint Benedict, the patron saint of Europe, born in Norcia in 480 AD, along with his twin sister Scholastica. And their images are actually over the entrance to this magnificent basilica, restored as it was damaged in the earthquake of 2016. It also took damage in the earthquake of 1997. It was damaged heavily in an earthquake of the 18th century. The original structure, 13th century. And all around the basilica today are many booths, some of them celebrating the black truffle. Look at these giant tartufi neri. And here we have tartufi bianchi. Quanto valgono al chilo questi?
Questi sono finti.
Ah, these are fake. Se fossero veri, if they were real.
Non lo so, dopo va all'asta.
Okay.
Quasi quanto, perché è così grande.
Okay, these are just on show. But here they're selling black truffles. And you can see a jar is 45 euro. Eh?
Da dove chiama?
I'm from the United States,
Ah, in America
but
di
I
Italia.
live in Umbria. I live near Assisi. Ecco tartufo nero.
Quelli là sono pieni, quelli imbarazzano, quelli là.
La vitrina. Let's see. Let's see the real ones. Here they are. One black truffle, 30 euro, one 20 euro. Hunted up by dogs. This is an area of truffles. Here we have oil with just a taste of truffle. And all around us, other booths featuring truffles. Aqualagna, buongiorno. And here we see a graphic of the black truffle, white truffle. These are porcini mushrooms.
Truffle finish.
The truffles are all finished. He sold them all. Bene. Bene. Ha fatto bene oggi. Good luck. You did have good luck. And here's another truffle booth. And they're offering jars of salsa tartufata, which means a sauce like a truffle. It probably won't be pure truffle. Ecco I tartufi, sono veri questi?
Senti che profumo,
Oh,
fai
he
così.
wants me to smell this. Ma, it's a bel profumo. Quanto vanno al chilo
Li
questi?
regaliamo.
He's giving them away. Thank you, I'll take one. But bianchi? Ecco. Questi?
Questi del bianchetto,
E quanto vengono?
questi vengono 30 euro letto, 30 for 100 gram.
30 euro, 100 grams. Chi li ha trovati? Un tartufaio con i cani?
Sì, bravissimo.
Found up with a Springer Spaniel dog, perhaps.
Yes.
They're good truffle hunters. Look at all these truffles. Well, there's one for 10 euro. How about one of these for 15 euro? Black truffle. Prize of
For my
Norcia.
family, for
This is your family.
da 100 anni.
100 years. Is your last name Mari?
Mari
Is your
Sì, è il
ancestor?
cognome.
Ecco,
Fedele
di nonno.
e lui.
Okay. This is Fidele Mari. Where do you live?
In Campello.
In Campello.
Vedi, Campello.
Campello su Clituno. Yes, I live near Assisi. Oh, here, from the, yes, it's from the woods of Umbria that you'll get the best truffles. He wants him to have a sniff. Veramente il profumo è squisito, And people here from
Una su qua
all
dentro.
over Italy. Voi di dove siete? Siete umbri?
No.
Where?
Marche.
Le Marche. Okay. E voi?
Marche.
Marche. So people are coming from all over. And there's Saint Benedict in the main square. I wonder if he's blessing those selling truffles and maybe blessing those who are selling other things as well. because the town is full of booths today. Many selling products of Norcia, like prosciutti, the lentils, and in fact, a pig butcher in Italian is called the Norcino, the little man from Norcia, because these are specialists in the creation of goodness from the pig. Prosciutto, capocollo, salami, sausages. Ecco un signor Norcino slicing his prosciutto. Look at the skill here. Bravo, un vero Norcino abbiamo. Look at these prosciutti. So here we are, wonderful Norcia surrounded by the Sibylline Mountains. Buona giornata from the festival of the Tartufo Nero, the Black Truffle Festival. Let's see if we can show you a poster of it, but no. But here you get an idea of the people who converged here today on a wonderful warm day in late February for the Festival del Tartufo Nero di Norcia. This is, I believe, the 60th year. Saint Benedict, patron saint of Europe, there he is, reigning over his main square. Buona giornata from Norcia.